Most people think they're struggling because they're lazy. That's really not the problem. The real problem is they don't trust themselves anymore. At some point, you made promises. I'm going to wake up early. I'm going to eat better. I'm going to stay consistent this time. And then you didn't. Not once, not twice, but enough times that your own mind stopped taking you seriously. And once that happens, everything changes. Now, when you think about doing something difficult, you hesitate, you overthink, you wait for the perfect moment to get started. Not because you're incapable, but because deep down, you don't believe you'll actually follow through. That's the part nobody really talks about. People will tell you to be more disciplined, to push harder, stay motivated. But discipline is not about going harder. It's about rebuilding the trust within yourself. And trust is built the same way that it's always been built. One promise, kept it. That's it. You don't need a complete life overhaul. You don't need the perfect plan. You need one decision that you actually follow through on. Maybe it's waking up 30 minutes earlier. Maybe it's one clean meal. Maybe it's one workout. Small enough that you can't avoid it. And then you keep it. And when you do, something starts to shift. Your mind begins to believe in you again. And when that happens, you stop negotiating with yourself. You stop the hesitation and you start moving. And that's when everything begins to change, but for the positive this time. And most people never really fix this. They keep chasing after motivation instead of rebuilding trust within themselves. But the people who do fix it tend to win in every area of life because they became someone they can rely on. So here's the question I have for you. What is one promise you know you should keep and actually will? Start there.